guys, it's Miss Jen at Polk County Public Libraries, and I'm here with Miss Amelia for another virtual story time. So sometimes we just like to pick out our favorite books to read, so we call this story time Latest and Greatest. So today I'm going to read a book by Todd Parr. He is one of my favorite authors, and this is called Be Who You Are. So he just has really great messages in his books, and they're all about acceptance and inclusion. Be who you are. Be old, be young, be a different color. Wear everything you need to be you. Speak your language. Learn in your own way. Be proud of where you're from. Be your own family. Just be who you are. Be silly. Be brave. Dance, play, discover, learn, read. Those are all things I like to do. Share your feelings. If you're happy, mad, sad, silly, scared, proud. Just be who you are. Try new things. Eat tacos, pizza, noodles. Be confident. Stand up for yourself. Be energetic. Be peaceful. Be the best that you can be. Just be who you are. It doesn't matter what color you are, where you are from, or who's in your family. Everyone needs to be loved. Always love yourself and be who you are. The end. Scars up, scars down. Shake your scars all around. Scars up, scars down. Shake your scars all around. Scars in, scars out. Shake your scars all around. Scars in, scars out. Shake your scars all about. Right knee, left knee. Shake your scars fancy free. Right knee, left knee. Shake your scars fancy free. Right hand, left hand. Shake your scars with the band. Right hand, left hand. Shake your scars with the band. On your back, on your tummy. Shake your scars nice and funny. On your back, on your tummy. Shake your scars nice and funny. Scars up, scars down. Put your scars on the ground.
Hi friends, it's Miss Amelia at the library, and today I'm going to read you a new book that's available at the Columbus Library. This book has a new sticker on it, and it's new to our collection since May, so you may have not had a chance to read it yet, but it's one of my favorites, and this is called Ronan the Librarian. Ronan was a mighty barbarian, a leader of his people. He invaded, he raided, and back home he traded. Ronan was legendary for finding the best pillage, gold, jewelry, weapons, and tools. Everyone wanted to trade with him, until one raid went horribly wrong. "What's this?" he roared. "This is worthless." Ronan tried to barter, but no one would make a deal. Barbarians didn't read books. Ronan took home the book. "Oofta! What am I going to do with this useless thing? Should I use it for kindling? Origami? Toilet paper? Yes, that's it." Then a picture caught his eye. Ronan read the first sentence, then a paragraph, then a page. Before he knew it, he had devoured an entire chapter. He read until the moon was high in the sky. The next day, Ronan didn't meet the raiding party. "He must have overslept," said Crom. "Let's go wake him." "Ronan, you dunga, what are you doing?" asked Gunnar. "Shh, I'm reading," Ronan said. "This book is epic. Do you want to borrow it?" "Have you gone berserk? Barbarians don't read. We raid," said Helgi. His friends were right. Ronan tucked the book away and went raiding like a good barbarian. But he couldn't stop thinking about the book. When the raid was over, he charged home and read straight through the end. Ronan was hooked. He needed a new book. So he invaded and raided and read. He invaded, he raided, and read. He invaded and raided and read. The fierce raider became a fierce reader, and soon his massive collection threatened to devour him. Oh, he has so many books. So Ronan came up with a solution to tame the beast. He built a library. He even threw a grand opening celebration. But barbarians do not read books. Crom judged the books by their covers. Too sparkly, too kissy, too wimpy. Gunnar valued brawn over brains. Reading doesn't have a point. Spears have points. And Helgi was too busy to read. How could Ronan get his people to see that books were treasure? "Oofta! I must conquer my own village," he declared. He picked up his book, held it high, and began to read aloud. The troll roared as Odin snatched the urn of Unkar and raced to his ship. The crew rowed out to sea when out of the depths rose a terrifying kraken. Odin held on to the urn for dear life as he drew his sword. But the shipbuilders kept sawing. The blacksmiths didn't stop hammering. The potters kept on spinning their wheels. It was a crushing defeat. At daybreak, Ronan went to his library. "Oofta! I've been invaded!" And raided! What was in the urn? Did he clobber the kraken? What did Odin do next? It was his greatest victory yet. The library was full of barbarians. Ronan quickly laid down the law. So here are his rules for the library. Get your card and take a book home. Swords make terrible bookmarks. Join our book club. Break the door, fix the door. Read aloud. No juicy meats. Children are welcome. Books are not toilet paper. Book request? Let us know. He issued library cards, he made recommendations for books, and he read to the younglings. It turns out barbarians do read books. Ronan was a mighty librarian, a leader of his people. They invaded, they raided, they read. The end.